Avenor College partners up with the Community for Science Education and Sci-Fab Lab for a STEAM experience at the National Institute for the Physics of the Earth Research, bringing researchers and young students together for an interdisciplinary half-day experience. Students embark on a guided tour of the Institute, gaining insights into how digital technology is employed in scientific research. Discover the fascinating world of seismology, learn how seismic instruments work, and gain a deeper understanding of earthquake monitoring and its significance for our safety. After the tour, students get hands-on with science by participating in practical workshops led by researchers from the National Institute for Earth Physics and National Institute for Laser, Plasma, and Radiation Physics. The seismology workshop explores the science behind earthquakes and learn how seismometers capture and analyze seismic waves. The spectrometry workshop uncovers the secrets of light and matter through the fascinating world of spectrometry. The geophysics workshop delves into the fundamental principles of plate tectonics, exploring topics such as gravity, magnetism, shock waves. These workshops are devised in order to showcase real-life applicability of the skills developed through the transdisciplinary STEAM activities and ensure that students gain a much better understanding of the why behind their curricular endeavors. By linking new information to prior knowledge and expertise across subjects, they acquire comprehensive, coherent, and useful learning experiences. Last but not least, by meeting real-world research scientists, spending time with them and learning from them, students acquire potential role models for future careers.